and now 020-354-1002 020-354-1002 open those support to Abetmanya Bisu Linat Watafo 0242-318399 0242-318399 JN Life. Nipa de was so to me say what you wouldn't the hiada. Winnie Madao, how near money a beba. And Untina Miss Slawa. You may come for more your GN Life. Your policies near day, smart child policy. What may say Sika Cressica, Ghana, what's some to say? Emrantie, ye did 35 your comfort of fin near shower here. I watch any who ye hear and to one man, every crowd, Abia 25 now, Konima Kolebi, Akoladi Yini, what's that here near Juma? Oh, Yabano, maybe an answer or baby out of wedlock near day. Kolani Yini no dear, now who sees in a cheek. Yadia bet my ball. But I'm so a smart child policy, you know. Akwalano suku fees in maybe on my own true. 30 Ghana cedis every month, pay. Oh, the yen say chiba premium autia. Ye try your claims is simple. If you want a man, there will be a friend passage plan. Or see what says so nipa be won a chino. MC, Pastor Man was so watch it. Thank you. It's only pouch you with tire. It's in a bit of but if you are now, papa now, mammy. And now we are now. It's a passage plan, man. Oh, what on your back? Crowfosuno now they out to her. If he's saying how, because a year, and no, it is a bassa now to mean the beer. Now a passage plan, I know such in life over. We a passage plan, Jacoye. Now, Feno acquire ye abocana, ye say, Crophobi sound say, a Giacoton fear new, or can be tappy. Passage plan policy, a besham what may you wait ye Bible say, the one to man crane Janin in that ye know, a palm back rassel one pass watching. A yo. I fear the lifeguard policy a child to. Who your business are a committee man bar. Who tell baby a chat. I feel like a purpose lifeguard policy be so asene. They are mouse bottom your side your ship. I'm on the edge. Dear life, your number is 0503 740 990. 0503 740 990. Because we ya. Now me live back to chin combo. See me? Remember there was so shoe casa. And ya chiachi. There was so slippers. It did the attempt on nasi. Who read yes now shall kaftan. And now wedding be now shall cut and also was executive slippers. Who was a man almost sure I can't wait in any most were preno. Very sure. And then I praise you did. A band exclusives, a honey a court dressing, ye CP sitter. Over your wedding suit, no, and no guys in Amonqua by home. Oh, program be a yen bunyam. Oh, your banker, open nice suit to serve the now, wako, now dress ya, tie a hood door, cufflinks, white shirt, all kinds of shirts. Slipper be heard down to say, me. I shall not see how. But I dear shirts in your crab, Babuana Quentin, you boo. Many I may say you are near will be any. You are dressed by your dressing. Onipa. Yeshiawa said was yes you want for the nipa Ghana half for city and said the Yamaka and the Jemai home only by the 21 a Ghana pa. Oh, who has no addressing? Who to me rather be not nipa salai pacho lawyer oba as you put on your lawyer. One who sees CNT. It's not a lawyer for Obia is a no. On the white no born no no you poor doctor it is yes you we are buying home. Papa, executive standard shirt, open boxers, super jeans, a sasu wall, bathroom, and near maybe to say, best sheet, papa, be quality best sheet via the Abanagro. Number no 020-811-6654. 020-811-6654. 020-811-6654. Hey, now, Shabai, Santasi roundabout here. Fidelity, branch now on an in Chemu Pe. Also, we do an branch boy, Chacha was here. We are for first floor now. On moi, Yanni Palace Mall, the Duke anymore. Kahuna Kojinipa 020-811-6654. What I out is one more time. Ba. MC Asebu.
Omanhene.
Now how to say?
Nyankopa do.
Bibi adedi.
Ededi pa.
Ade mo bad ana bibi adedi.
Enye easy. Oza na wo ka ayi. Wo tra na ewu de ayi ka de edin.
Edin o.
Nti se wo hododo na wo yare a mesrew. Eye ba na ba no mpe ba. Omanhene Nyankopa nka ho pa. Ene anopa yi de ye de enchia kese e free Ban Herbal Center. Aye wo Kumase Atonsu Ago ede ma yahwefo na yetiefo nyina da nyina no de dodo na epatie de dodo na ate ana ayaresa ba eye ba ye ka ba se a eye dompe ene kase ayaresa ankasa aye de bibiduro kan eye haban ye nananom ene twro no ka se ye nie ne mfa yare no eno na Ban Herbal Center ye didi adwuma kase e wo ho enti da nyina obi wo ha ebia wa chinchina bre wanante bre de o kan se bibiduro fo de ena haban fo de o mo kasa anam kono ma duro me ho antome ma me papa wutie me obi a wo de otimi hwe e wo na brabom enti se okọ ba bi na anyo no nkyere se de twro ne kan ne yemtro de Dr. Beka che on se ohaw na asie wo no ohaw na adua wo so a wuntimi nya wo hwe eye nkasemu yare etete wo no fa number ne sisi ase de be ya wo de wani e ba be kire wo na fe ayare sakan no ye de ama wo na so hunu se aban no emfaso wo mu na tumi nso wo mu esa yare a efiri Ban Herbal Center a ye de ama mo me pa cho number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and your ba kwa kan 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 me pacho so we Ban Herbal Center na Ban Herbal Hospital ye kase ya ye wo Kumase Atonsu Agogo Government Hospital kase ne si ono nachi ana abehuyen afa wudu ani kire enkranso a ye obi wo Spinters Road 18 Junction misrew fire ne bra na yenhwew anopa ya yatena sie ana wotwe aduroi a oman atena na konwa kase mu a wodi magana no de me so Ban Herbal Center ye busa wo ne se udompe ene o kase no ehwo tesei ma me papa na anopa ebia na udompe na emu hwew emu yew bibibi wo ya ho hwe nyeye ebia na me kase kra wo kokete wantimi ana ewiemu ye nwunu kakra bia na wo de asem wato na afi adane brabo a misrew ni nyina to atwa ba bia obenya wa yaresa a ye nkase mu ayaresa kan no a ye dia haban de tu ase ye Ban Herbal Center me pacho ena me no kase bu a bia no okotodwom hawo ne amane wa kina bre me se na afu mu krontimi nko e wo senka obadwom ebeto ade enso yale e woni kotodwom no enti wontimi nante kra ni kotodwo na emu hwe no emu twe no eye dede eye ne ye tutu no misrew ma me papa ena no pa me no kase nyina no se wo hawo e wo kotodwom a ba bia wo se wo de wani kire eye Ban Herbal Center me pacho so wo bepie wa ade me ye dan so wo ya afomu ne se ye mu oduro ne de haban na etu kotodwo no so enti wo hawo bia ne amane bia ewura kotodwonim yare bia bedua kotodwonim ama kotodwon dompe twi dompe ama ho kire ne oya waba mu no ubepie wa ye de apato so nansa achi ubenwu se kotodwo yare na nanka ade akiri kuroma nyina a wo boka wodo ana wunya bibi kura na ade ato aduane adi no Ban Herbal Center juice kakakra bi na ode haban na to so ama yare bia wo kotodwom so aka abrosa so wuntimi nsifom se wo afuo ne mu afu ase wuntimi nko kotodwom yare enti wuntimi nko no ubeduru ha ye besa yare ama hawo na nanka ye kotodwom yare a poma tenten enso still wuntimi nante ya gidi nyina gu Ban Herbal Center na fi ya madu ni pedua ye wo nan no atimi ya nante na wo nante wia wonte ya obi abiem enso to awiabo ni nyina no ubenya ahoden eno ye Ban Herbal Hospital ane ye ka kire ho afi obi wo ha yare adua no so eye sisi yare mesese okuntu ni musa wo ya ade a osoli gira so obi animu a be 3 minutes ansa na watimi abie animu pa obi animu nyina na animu ye ne ya mesraw na ne sisi ye ne ya mesraw sisi yare na ete wo so na edi unya no ha won etete wo no papa menu aba entrance o na mfa sisi yare nka se eje mi sisi de anu na dim bekogum Ban Herbal Hospital ho se bra na sisi yare a ete wo so wuntimi nya wo hwe kwabrane ni sisi nti ama na wonam ana ni mu nyina ako a wo ne wo hwe enyeye adane nante foforo ubehu se obiebie ne nanim nyina eye sisi yare obi trance se wo si no ma kora se ne ba me so ni mu ampagya na adane asem imposi e pagya na gisi wo gyan be 3 minutes ansa na watimi atene ni mu ni ni nyina ye sisiare akese a abedue sisi anim ye wo ya nanso he na wo benya ahoto ba bia wo benya ahoto asumdue beba a wo moka ye ban heba hospital enti mesrew ena no pesa wo hwe me wo ma mi bi wo papa bi sisiare ha no wo ya abofra me pa za sister kakra wo sisi ha wo ntimi mfa wo nya wo hwe bema bi wani sisi aye ne yasa ama mpaso adwuma kra ye de amana ni nyina no ubepie ban heba hospital ye de ahaban na betutu sisi ne so ama wo sabi sisi ne chimo ko ba bi achie ba bi achie nipadua no kra na ubepie ho a ban heba center bema sisi na tene na afi ho ato enti na no pa ya me no kasei se wo pa ba bi e de yare no ye de beto fom ahwede ahaba ahwe wa e ban heba hospital ani ye kan ho asem ena no pay me kasa fo bi an spinal cord na chikasa ne ya yale a wo achikasa mu no ya papa enti ne obi ko kata so kra wa ntimi ana empa woda so afa pa empa woda so ye kama pa enso obesori bia na chikasa na chibremo na ye ne ya e bi adwene bi shotim se abaifo na abebo a ma me mesrew enye baifo bia na abebo o mo bo enye wo mpa na woda so no mbebo eye yare ana abedua wa chikasa ni mo chibremo nim mesrew ena wote ya wo pensin kakra na se wa ma spinal cord achikasa yare ne betimi abubu di wagu fam enipa bebre abubu agu fam a ne ame no kasai ba center na mo asole a afedi omo atimi anante enti mesrew se wachikasa no spinal cord no tokura bedam arere eya wo ya wontimi nya wo hwe a ubepie ba hospital ye behwew ne ye de aban toto achikasa ne afa wumu na akwa na wontimi ntiri wumu no woda wontimi na nyina no wachi na tutu nyina no emire tia bi wo se Dr. Badi aban atoto so ama afa wanya afa ahodie we nyina no so betimi ehu na ahoto beba no abenya afa ahodi a gie number ni sesi ai na fo ani kire ho na fe na no pe ya Dr. Batna se a wo hwe nti se wo ha wo wachi mu a mesre tu anamon na fo ani kire ho mesre oda ne danya me ka kire se aduro bia wo de yesa nti se wakochini ba bi na se wo yale ne nkoya mesre wo ene Bible center ka kire se ayare sakan ne yesa no ho se wachi ka se wachi bramo no nko na ye wo ya ana se wo pa ahoto a wo pese okwa yi operation akofa asemo abrewa Braba Heba Hospital ubeduru a yesaw yare ama ho ato gie number ni sesi ai na afefu ani kire Ba Heba Hospital number no 0244 988 004 and ye was 0244 083482 dani den nyina obi ha ebia wanya nkwanhia ama ne nan kase ana ne nsem kase dompen ebia mu abu nkwanhia ne ye wo kaade ane ewu obi a wo kwa afuomu de ana obi a ono otini fie kura ne dem kura watimi anya nkwanhia ama ne nan dompe ana kase nabu mesraw ma me papa me nua ba wutie me se wo nan mu kase ana dompe bu a mesrafo ani kira Ba Heba Hospital so bepie Ba Heba Hospital me se ayare sakan na esa no e ya haban obi a ne kase mu abu obepie Ba Heba Hospital no ye de haban na to so enipa bed ye wo enom nan na to ama omo anya mfa hodie enti se bia wodo na ne kochinchini baabi anto ye nsuo to anemu ye oya woto anemu ye oya epo bia betua ho a ni nyina no so odi wani kire ho a ye de ye frɛ no ye ya ade ye so oba na sade na anye ye obi aye na anye ye kura na oba Ba Heba Hospital beye ama ade na yeye eti unam kasa na wonsem kasa dompe no ana ho aka na emu abu a fo ani kire ye ho ne nhwew afa obi ho ene de meka ni nipadua mututu no na aposo ye ne ya dane dan nyina de okan se nipadua de da be na ho to beba e ya arthritis yare na awura nipadua num ama wo dwente no aposo ye oya ama wo nsantantan ni nyina ye oya mesrew fo ani kire Ba Heba Center na arthritis yare na awura dompenum ema dompenu hwe no Ba Heba Center yemfi ahaba ni tu arthritis yare ni mfiri so na ho to obi wa de okan se sasabora gimi nipadua boso ana sasabora de no anadim beko wu mesrew ma me papa me nua ba wutie me ba de na mo obi asa ade bi mfa ne nko wu ba bia wu no ye Ba Heba Center ntina wotifie kasa yale we du beko wu yale du beko wu mu ana chese wo ma Ba Heba Hospital oba wa sasabora nyiri betu ase obi wa wanya stroke ontimi nante mesrew stroke yare na abetena wo so no oboka for ni che Dr. Baho na fe yenso yenhwe oni yenfe ahaba ni bi nhwew na fe wano ache won se da ho ni nyina ho nto na fe timi nante afe obi wo ho a typhoid ene ha no hepatitis yare ni B ni nyina ha no Ba Heba Hospital afe obi wa gonorrhea ene ha no syphilis ennamu yare bi atiti obi ano ubedu Dr. Baha ye behwew ama ho ato ema ni bi wo kompo hania ha nkrofo ni nyina no oba ye behwew ama ni nyina akọ mesrew ye de kasa na eba wieye enye wadwene se ya mo yale bia so ye ntimi mfamre ni nyina nka yale bia enti ne yese je number no na yale ye kan ye de anka de tete wo de adane koda na ni nyina no wo frɛ na bepie ba heba hospital ye behwew ama ho ato mesrew number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 me pacho so open ban heba center na ban heba hospital wadaroma yewu kumase atonso ago government hospital kese ne nachi ana abuhu afa wodu ani kire nkran patemon so a yewu bi Spinters Road 18 junction misraw fayare na etete won ada kwada na ada ne osun ene kani nyina to so no fa beda ba heba hospital ne enso emfa ya haban kan na oba de adom entu yale na asema da so oba na wo kwana yare ni nyina kwa eye dede ene mrane eye sebo eye ba yarefo ene etiefo nyina ase oba nyankopon enka ho pa
MC
oi
Epstein, hold it there for me and let me go to the lines and speak to Oheneba Engineer Atapoku. Nah, you need to come all the way from Trinidad and Tobago Republic. Pimso said to Abebio Asantimera was the special guest. And DNT and Wako Pimo Trinidad and Tobago. Yanko 9 Engineer Atapoku Chuchikomo. Engineer Machano pay.
Bejosminia.
Ejidi so ho ye pa.
Yami adaro ma me ho ye.
Na Santima Urade won tu kwan kwa na just say ohini betia ne na achi ana djuma Sompa. Trinidad and Tobago e de djuma no mu dia. Wi ase afa na nyina betimi ato nsa afre ohini na so o meta djumade na achi na endie. Pacho okoye so sen no mo je ne feso. E de na akoso adaro ma me ntie wa no pay.
That's India. Trinidad and Tobago, so the no war baby a Brunei friend no Caribbean, ne hodo nipa de bebre omo no mo di se omo free ye bi mem ha na di omo go so bi omo free Ghana be be free Nigeria be free ha bi mam ha bebre na di omo boy na data ne slavery no o se e bi ko ko Trinidad and Tobago bi ko pie mo Suriname e bi ko pie mo Jamaica, Barbados, Dominica, just a honor na baby, yes, a sack, for free, and we bring her copy home. Na a baby, and you say, Boakye for money, so. Anna, Yamin Chad, they said, Yana from who did everybody, a miano. More found, I'm friend emancipation to say, Yatia more free say, be a bone course, one day be a year some Brunei near the free remember. I mean, my bed dog, Omana net dog, I should be in full money at the Italian. Your name found who did I'll say free emancipation day, and I found who did that. Says Sompa and Naden Quasum. Now, yes, Caribbean also Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad, Crack, the Mudi Kaya, Sadi, almost Mokina, no more years after. They're from Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago, go back on a island in Trinidad and Tobago, and Yaka, one of the baby. I was there to say, Frey, Cotocohine, no, but no berries and pat. And coffee be fair with Memcoy, and no man young found the no one found the so much matter. Come, say a crowbar call Mudiguma. Na Sebekaya, a year of 2020.
Catch out,
Prime Minister.
Engineer, it's you.
Or more Prime Minister, a year of Ghana independence and Dano Yedino Kumasi 6 March 2020 Kumasi Nedino said they are buying or rotated and now they Independence Day no ko mia anya nkranko no 2020 do kuma say na Prime Minister Riley our free trainer in Tobago on another special guest of honor so 24 so mo kai so a ono so tia Boakye so ko Baba Stadium na the countdown road show is no ko Independence Day no sa tupono ma papa no anadwena o mensia ti papa no ne nko for yaba kumase kotoko hene wahye ni munyam wato nsa afre wato prama nti ebenya ka ono so mra trailer in Tobago ma separation day na kombe he na sede munim no yes Independence Day we na covid unity na covid by 2020 2021 nya na Adea nipa ntukwae nipa ntiminya hwe na 2022 so papa no de krata bae tie nyina yagitu se afiwe a omo yo member anticipation day no otumfo no obeye titire ni obo abehwe ni nya owo sonko ana nche pi so se wo ya de a wo hwa social media omo ana musini a wo hwe Ghana wo hwe Togo wo hwe Sierra Leone wo hwe global ewo ebimemo ene omo konso jona ewo Ghana beka omo me ko tumfo no mo de no say omo man panyin pese oba emancipation day no ya fi we mo no be special guest no tumfo so je peneso no mo sampa edru say oba na omoshane no nyam kase na nra obedruye no o te se de o mampanyi ba no bibia red carpet
chese ye hye no TV so wa ha engineer ye hye no TV so nyagro
aha ana ye man ga dai o man ga do for na bibia ne flag sin kaso e bi share no ombeshia ni wie no mo aja ye jina di ko me na medical wa me ne omo ebeshia wo omanmu ye ntutue nyina ana otumfo ko je na ho me ne otumfo ha mampanyi no ha mu free bi parliamentary system the no Prime Minister no responsible for the day-to-day administration of the country.
Okay.
And he no for Omanhene no president obako akon hoketsiko owiya wako Prime Minister no na no so wako akushia no mu wie ne omaye bidebie no friend state dinner in honor of the visiting king of the Ashanti Kingdom. As we are Omanhene bi ko be state dinner one na state dinner motumfo we are there no ombobodwa eno no 24 fan ho amane my omo ba ha go sampa Omanhene no omo koye no akunya no ana santimai da su ginae se de me na wotwi mu me interview am cheche mu se kingdoms we be we are see ane asamato ma ukwa say ya yinim French he no we next door to the British monarchy, and so French Revolution by no be new king of France mu try ko Russia na ebu ho za sene ni royalty in Russia ni power na hini ni nyina ko nti
93.1
e will be asante to magina sabe rodi bache na prempe edne calls Elmina sadly call Freetown Sierra Leone. I mean 1896 said na
hello
Freetown Sierra Leone so hello
engineer me ton kankasa
Freetown Sierra Leone so asante for nanti ko ho se pe hene muwie
Sompa FM abusia for Trinidad and Tobago T
1924 enti eno chere say ampa asante obika na omuwie a otumfo oba adwuma obeye obekasa che university wo ha obekọ ba bi for George akohwe wo na no a ne na akofi kakaye something otoso du ne ba o ba kofi nti business forum so ha Ghana for businessmen ha Trinidad and Tobago businessmen so be share no maye and Human Dawson. Now, the Canadian say, for a fee on a special guest of honor for emancipation there, or more Caribbean, or more found in a fee or my tons of fruit for buyer, Nema, or Bayana, their shots and to mine Ghana, my anyone.
Engineer Tapoku, you better see no pay and Chima, dear mine, ya sum, piao, or Hiniba. Na bibia akoso kama nti de mote ye no engineer Tapoku na anopai wa me hunu ne no asani omusije asantemawura kotokohene na chese kromo chese enigi a what in that in Tobago with the presence of kotokohene no enye easy kra chese enkwada mbani chese wo mate de because wo mu hwe bi o TV so amra one Kinshas coronation ni ade na omususu atime invite no waba kotoko hine obema oya bema this gift
opening
Gabi na want to say
Yankopado
bibi aboko
Yankopado
me hine na me den da me homa no hey kotoko hine de obo what tigana ni why himself bokwa asam ya dia mani obeka masum dia ba na dagbon de kura nyame adom ayi afiri ho no na bokofo mu nya abotre wai santima wura wa toto niema
titifo nya
unity na ode niema esisi na wakeka niema bom mo bia kuma to ne yem na bibia dadi kotokura santima wura piao let's give you any komo
openi medawasi titi obi kan titi onyansa sa ne beka no ahini die e ba enye ne ache data e bedawasi na mesa chia obiem Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services say abribia ne ba odi enam from na mama amamfo nso ye den etienka dwumadi a yedi no eno ane ekoso ye den edi say obia bibia oyare bia say yare bia ha obia no di ba Grace Gift a ebenya ntobase ahwamo doctor wo obenya ntobase ahwamo
that's right
nti se ne yare no se ne tie bia se ne ya etaka no gi se yare bi wo ba nan bi na yenye wadwuma eni Friday mfi edu no mo ko yenye wadwuma achacha yenye wadwuma kwata yenye wadwuma na afi nso akwadwero sa na mai yenye wadwuma ne mo yi ni nyina free wa de aka nyina kokoni wa kura na wuti ya wo de ba Grace Gift be hwamo na chairman de pese ye kire nyina ne se ya de titi atim kwantim pona ye disa ya de ai ni ye na nanam trase a o mo timi nyini che ye enwa na Grace Gift ye den eguso oba ye nchen ne ye hwe na wadi ye dua ne die mu na enko yi a etwase ye sachire maw na otimi ko back to Ghana titi aduane na ye di a ne ye nipa dua den efa openi ye na nanam bu baby o mo se aduane a wa metu wo ma me no papa ya de no hu anka ye den chi ba na ade na sa ba ne mfa nya adwuma bi dia ye wo ene ye yusu se boa ye na nanom ene mo tena se bi 200 years ade ntini ye mpese ye be ko use na boa ye openi enwo sa kola wadi 20 years no timi complain se sebi mpreduasa ne be ma no enhye dan sorry anampo ne oba ko demo ntimi emu awrem because ye na nanom time obi di 90 years kura na still ojina ne na so
di agwa kura so onye me 18 years
very good e da show
obanyi musesia
it is say ye hu sa di we start free kwala mu a mobo e ya rewo so hu dia na esi ntia sa na ma ne ba ne sa because e titi na ni ho dia ade ne yen competitive atimpon no mfa so ni e bisa ya nananum se dia ne omo ye ntia e ma omo hu njuju chairman.
Yes, sir.
Your baby say I won't say. I didn't in Ghana by nature's law. Me ya shame when be say edura na dwa. Yenton jabidi. Yenton emo. Yenton chini. Yenton meku. Some major food items I didn't know heavy food no. Me pa you say yenton. Sabre no mo kotra school dem nsu ya de o. Okay. But we share samram. Very good. Now prevent you from late eating of heavy meals. To us na nan ko afum. No mba be du fie na say Adea san sa 7 months into me di du afum.
Did you to be buy ya?
Obeba na twen.
Ti onhu ma me pani anafu.
Wa hotel ne yafun gusu e flat.
Energy se ko twitwa.
Ene wa wo ba ko ne yafra tinto. Die na esi.
Who needs care for liposuction adi ayo?
Wa hu. Then time obi wo wi a ye man nsuo bucket. Nunum ni ano ano atran so no anum bi.
34 bucket.
Very good. Obi a wo ba 15. Sabi na koso yakuma da so ye fresh. Ni kunu ne da open no. Bene. Ba ko pe asai. Dey na esi because unlawful niyama bi e de hihye yase no. Enuane bi a ye di asabi anybody ne mfa. Sa niyama no. It's over grace gifter. Yes, it there be. Says I didn't desire the buy a dear. I didn't try any way. Because you're near my boy. And then you're near the baby. Chairman, antibiotic on mine.
Yes.
Young cat, vitamin C. What boost immune system?
So I buy COVID buy. Then the probably bring pancake chadi.
Very good.
But the buyer, you chimgun sium. Now you're the fra. And near baku mienu bi noa onnom ya out him say your immune system is of the highest.
Opening is true. So on say sa de na ba be wiase nyina bumbo.
Yes,
but how did nature direct the Africans? Was say obi anka wo but automatically any nyina shift yourself to near be betuma boy in nature. Nyankopon yensi na twetwe o. Data ye be yusu ayenyusu. No be bisa say grace gift one mo ne target wo mo. Opening ya de target obi a owo gidie ma bibiduro because obi an ne gidie obo an ne gidie ne se obo no be kwa brofuduro obi su gidie ne se obetima no no bibiduro na wona o gidie ene se ono no bibiduro a ebo yema wo mo no wo mo ne pese ye reach wo mo sankrofo ne ani wo mo kasa because se oba kumasi na to da bi ne ye ka kiro se bantama ye hu a enye obi a ne te sa kasa na se ne o te sa kasa na se te sa kasa na se. That's when come out be out. A come specific people. And the great gift say, one day you reach woman, one day you person woman 3 hours same way, and you want to abai drodi. Yes. Now you're the man numbers in Batu Gani Akasa Bakum you be near the end.
Okay.
Yes. Your numbers are dear Jumano. Great gift. Ghana, your Miami, you Accra, your new Achimota Petroleum, opposite Family Life International School. And Kumasia, and also your Oshim School Junction. Oshim School Junction, on the Oko, Barikasi Road. Now, your numbers, no, me the Baku to 0543 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 Opening Ghana first one call now what is obi so odin so and jinso bon
Debbie
nso na re enye yisesi bi
untinka ale ne o manu ko
do na enya problem because nyama yedigu yemu no epro body ni nimu no ntimi digest na ferment ferment ya unum so na wo na aware
digest not ferment
what you say e was say digest na waste product ni timi
na enipa no yetimi ye de
very good
e ko moja ni mu ni bibia ko
but digest na chase proper ye funum ni na sefo na aba unum so e wash it down no sa na na proper na e ba out fagin so no e ba
ti ye janan
won say na den
junso at least crime free no kra no
e bon
what is sent
obu okra po e bon to the extent so bie na num e bon
yes
bebre adwen yo mo so mo trimo ba obu o make stomach na nkasa and they produce that kind of films no very good
into all kesua
easy
enka
dodo na na didi a o man me no kasa yi na ne bo hihye no what is happening there because certain acids bi no e wo system no so hu ba openi hwa wonim say ya ye je ne yawo ya je ne ya wonim say wo de ye juice na say wo no mo a likely say juice no mo bon kra itime team enti me bisa mo question pa because me nua bi ye bi na the juice yes send pa but me manu blend je ne so onom openi je ne ankatwa de no kabo mo o sha say o CV o sha say so onom no only 3 days na sabi juice na nka wo mu no stop it. And the question is, Bibisa me say enti say sani am we nyina ho de a enti ne sofa. One the enti a grace give time bia catch am for say. One na oje bibi dro di no. Won kusu enkula mu because eboa. Prevention no e better. Better. Hwe say je ne wo yi. Na say wo hwina si na otwitwa je ne. Na wo de hwini butu mu a. Otwi ko inside a hwe say na bia sinuses no. Yes. Wahrawa se mo asikula saa unim se jene ni carrot yawo be ma sabi me fan se okompa mu kula no nse da nya yi na enutumi etimi bo man tadua mu yade
sa carrot na kra no the design no by nature
eni be ma fa
be ma de
sa ena hwemu nso kire se me wo read articles bebrea yes
it is designed like a man who Adea ye adwuma wo ya dream Omo se nyame design no hwe ayi
no answer adwen watermelon
se di peti
yeah
yes e no so ewo
papa implications yes
nyame no
okasa kire director okasa kire na ese yento he yeah e ye ho adwuma
designed it to suit
na tomato opening tomato to me buoni part to the extent say China for friend fruit of life adentia openi woni say wonso agene be ma ne hunsu ne kwamo no ofo no say we tomato we ba ko na win every day 3 consecutive months e macho emwar woni so obi etofo na so wuze si ha tomato ha ban oposa na wo de so na adenti no sorry obi a wo go unconscious eya no me transfer me bisa mo question pa na nke be ya on nko bi andua sa fruit no on on the backyard naturally I'm telling you the fact bema
vegetables and tomato gum no we tomatoes
no we ya to opening no ya to
fasa to jaye brother so
opening ya better am etie for so ase na Grace Gift Bar Clinic and Laboratory Services 24/7 ya bi ya pono ye guso ya adwuma se ne twase ye enti no oba ho a e be hwa ma 24/7 yade bia odi ba no e be hwa ma because emra ma ho kwan se ye boy yade din na emom no de ye mo no de aye nsa no ene ye yaka enti ye de numbers ni tu dwane 0543 32 00
Sabo Bill
0543 32 00 30 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 it's a Grace Gift home of quality health care
and one so wako
and one yeah
Adea Akye Abia there had been some more scandal we nkwa na for Frasaba
really yen nkomo
answer na message no ma mencha in this bakan nyina na mencha John Dramani Mahama His Excellency wona pamfo nyina wona obo no bibia mu na eba ka kire ne se onto no boase no nsiesie ne fie esan se ono ne Ghana leaders were at the moment Omanhene President Mama ono
se ono ne Ghana
leaders Ghana leaders wo nyina
me madam fo ayi abonwoma ma no
ai jakalolomi
ai hey enyum ketwa o
no you see
it takes my mind back to 2000 Erade Kasa
yeah
Cindy Thompson enyum na nodin oh ne need us
oman no
yeah bro
o ye niam bebrebe no na amanfo edi omani
2024 will be sweet
hwe eniam ekoso no me aside to me Ghana for the man no as NDC ku no yen hwe nema MPP yen yi pa yen very careful
u20
yes and sankora na nyame
government in way
and sana nyame kora ma yakonya ma yabedi o man no so
o ka so mo hwe ni ya o kire mu sei
yesuba ebeda na di ekwan be fa so ni Ghana fu adi yen
from now to 2024
from now to 2024 hwe politics on my way mu e be very dangerous why have do baby obi anyama nyobi mu won hu de asi won Nigeria on say ku ni siwie no said the atimamufo no ehye politicians cars no e say ye defend dem obia na hu ne say me Australia na ba bia say ya
finance minister Anderson
wo su ya ka kire ma no
48 hours
say onwa konta Omanhene sika na bedu.
But we should also condemn the junta.
He's dead already.
Junta.
They're
cool.
No,
you cannot continue in Africa with cool.
You see, honorable. Omanhene say a pa cool ni bejai. As Africans, ye pa cool ni bejai.
How?
We have no respect for the citizens. Omanhene ye must sika abeye the order of the day. Omanhene sika o, and I obey the order of the day. And so, Omanhene, we have no respect for the citizens. And to me so cool biaso. Name of Yansu democracy no, a toda, a choir obi fast over power no, a simple.
Omanhene power through democracy.
What subvert the will of the people? It's more than good it. See a kotwaba. Now we say ya kind obiaba at declare the power winning. It's cool. So yes, it's subversion. It's cool. See, you say, ya to about mount. Say oko 2 times. No, for quite this one with the cost war. Central Republic and Abba BC. Central African Republic. The 10 office 2 times live by you. Say, see, I almost got through a referendum
to decide so on transfer.
On possible man on your day.
Then so Mubaka. Say one to us.
No, but the person controls the system.
And he said you're maneuver
obia in line. So coup d'etat is not just about taking weapons and overthrowing a government. Sometimes even the democratic elections in the a coup d'etat in another form. Omanhene, I don't know man cry who too much, sir. And it's a Vietnam quan the minister. And then to me, any moderate vehicle, and my minister, you soon to me at the same time. Yes, shaman for before. And so, as a man, we should be very careful. And to me, me party NDC, see how to be moderate. Roland Sketcher said, we should never learn MPP. Me, any political to say MPP that. I would never want to do that.
Why?
You must respect the ordinary people.
But why?
You must live life in moderation.
Not respecting the people. What are they doing? I've just saw Buma.
Look at the kind of things that are going on. Sika sisi edema edi adwuma. Na the few people are chafa. Ave mu ntimi fa bank. We the betu fie. Because what the kwa bebu sa sika no nya ne he. Utwa taxes. You can't. See a visit a man for fear. Ubu sika wa man for fear. Why are we doing this? Pamma sika ye hu no fie no. Omanhene told me something say. Omo said na omo say banks no, but omo be say banks no. Omo ka che omo nkrofo say mo fo musika nsie be say banks no. Other than that,
this is an atrocious allegation.
No, but why? Omanhene,
it is way too much.
Omanhene,
to say a government will come and will want to, because you and I also know, say, before the advent of NPP, most of the banks we had issues. So why would you conclude say abino we catch or say abino seda so be good banks?
Yet to Kromane ka say the rate of dollar, the entire dollar no cost will say no. You say dollar na was system no more day. It's Inti ono kwa mu important yamampo o kwa wenye bi abochi fo no ya chichi wo mu nansen ya wo sisen so mu kuta sika wo mu sesa ma amanfo ba mani ba ku kura dollars woni dam kura wonim na no wonim ano aban na wo se nyina ya moa mianchechire o man no wonu kura dollars woni dam yenim ano yesi ba ku bo sirim ho ba bi amanfo ko sesa sika na enne niam esi wo ho na nya agro nipa no so this kind of bank And so say me do a minus wa me nyina mo hye ma se me see am wa ma yam toto man no kosi baabi na see na yahwe ase not anya mo nwa me dey say about a cluster of 4 polling stations omo discuss 600,000 Ghana cedis na ko honom wo mo a chairman ni ba ko na ye odu beto abonten so me catch the in this say yanhwe sa na mo we nyina ni ensua ni ehu ni say one timamfo na mo ho no masa nema mkoyi o say o hwe media budget no a o kwako review no enne no a people are even so skeptical say dey na be free maba.
I had a chance to speak to the Deputy Minister, John Kuma. I'll say, I should allay the fears of Ghana and say there's not going to be any increment on petroleum tax. Two, we were discussing an issue that has to do with online taxes. Also, my passing in May. So our taxes are no more passing on. They are passing out and tomorrow turn near my online.
And the power back cancer,
Ghana Revenue Authority.
I way cancer until it happens. Don't listen to them.
Hey,
minti mo. Anyway, me was maybe a pam no a just
oh that issue throw it away.
And to say,
yeah,
me tumchine. Don't come at Parliament catch it as young call IMF. Okay,
yeah,
we will not go today, we will not go tomorrow. No, Jina Parliament. Yanko IMF. Nti
Diana no kind said increment ba yebehu.
Why? Wouldn't say that you talk COVID-19 tax.
COVID-19 levy.
COVID-19 levy.
Amutua no port.
COVID-19 that's what.
Them say ba ku bi kura ka ho.
Me say we are see kuba time no ehwe ya de so nyina say COVID-19 ni hobi. Eko as pandemic. And so yen Ghana for the sutua ho tax. Ghana nko na enu besi.
Eko as pandemic ba free we ase.
I
bet to say malaria.
Ne the tax ne the levy ni ye den. Ye de toto COVID-19 ho niama. Enti eko. Enti common sense den na kire wo. Yi free ho. Na nipa na wode ne meba kurom ha no. Enye foma na oba timamuni no susu atima ye den. Atumi ato. Ye da so to COVID-19 levy wo kurom ase.
So what are your expectations of them?
Me expectations bia papa bia wa ban we. Inflation may be a day.
Have you given up on this government?
No, this government should prepare to hand over and leave. The government itself has given up on itself.
Abainwa. Yes. What the Ghana to
Omanhene Yaw here say mate ne driver. Akwaji ka wo na car. No mate tubo maka wo na boka. Na ka wo na agye de car. Na mate ni na sa koka wo na no se fa car na mame. Na me na metim de yadwuma mo onyeska
nchika una nde
president Akufo-Addo ne run mate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia unti say wase ono a won plan
I say I have my vision.
I have my vision into more than Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia we very very wicked enti wo gentina na ko fan say run mate
so meboa no
na wo wara wo ye no ko wara no say wan hu ma nyina o wiase
me se so boafo
se o meboa o wonu abobra wia fe de wo ye ko se me kura me se me ja Omanhene na me akra me plan wo ba bi wo ye wicked o sa plan ade na won fa mo na do magana nyi woni bi ntana na do fa papa we se obeboa ma economy na yeden asiye na inflation ye say 2019 na do eyi na di unsa o set about 41 member committee say on me kwan a seed na fast way to America no sada na do yi na di
na do yi ho di
not about me
o yi na di
because want me am economy na man stabilize it.
Oh, but that was a committee to help
to do what
to help stabilize the dollar.
Adana wa announce economic management team no na that committee was in place.
No,
it means you failed. Committee no man announce on ka ho bi. He was not part of that committee.
Nanado in 2019.
Say he couldn't help achieve his aim. And you want say no case on a plan.
Oh, definitely. How do you see? That statement I don't think was to say it in the context say the Nanado ya na de me bua Nanado amaye. Abato braso say.
Abawe.
I was say NPP yi obima ni di animu.
Unim say ye wo
definitely it will not be me bawo. It will not be Nanado's mind.
Ye wo one and
I was said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de bebu mind.
Ye wo 1.5 years to go in this government. 1.5 years. Already no. The way late is now won't you late say. Why you know you late?
Mami Ananso said Diana Chiamison is in the house. It's Yedim Komono.
So the cat in your cracker.
Aye. Then you know so the pile of Juchin Komopa.
Ghana man.
King David Danfana Mountain.
Well, elite in danger.
King David Danfana.
So,
one of the support.
Some Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. For that matter, look, Omamuya campaign. One I saw about now the way and so.
Why?
Almost 10 aspirants here, woman says,
Obia on Ibishi.
And would you
why the Betima campaign on 2024 without Nanado?
No, but who almost said Omubia cassette, maybe not legacy in Metwaso.
Oh, they say it. Why? Danko Kufado, Amamua Obono, Muma Mequaya, may break. Oh, I think in Japan.
No, nobody. Look,
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia has made a dot.
But offer
Agric minister.
No,
the Agric Bay. He's made a dot.
Offer
Alan Koyoche Martin has said so.
But Agric, oh, never let a boy. As someone can fertilizer. Miss Whaley. I'm telling you, Agric minister, dear. There's someone over Tom board, dear. Bodiuda. Bodiuda.
You are not being fair.
Minister, or and then one was uncomfortable, then Uncle was on with my trial. And then when the body drew war. Kumasi haya ko so me run about and my yakota body drew back on any war. Once I uncle from go crying. Someone for body uda. They the minister turned to the and now I'm 2021. Now a bag sa MPK no. Na bag ye 98
Ghana. 98
Ghana.
Fertilizer.
E ko 210. And na 450 460 per bag. Now do a full ekabako kra. For less than do na de be. Agric minister. Na do ama fa unu say amamuna e fo ama obi atimi di president. Can the Japan say was strategies. We mu strategies. Excuse me. Into we obeto aso. What ye papa la ana chira matin. We so man tie no. Omu tie no anki ni ha. Obeto aso. Komina Japan was say they need somebody whose hands are clean. Also I want to be one inside who you clean. Also ono. And e to abama no.
They say if that is what they are all saying there. Now no more to two omo ho abasane. So then they are telling Ghanaians say the whole MPP has failed.
And then say no. Makato said they don't look Nankaba aka 1.5 years. None of them, even the MPs, will not stay in parliament to ensure that government policy is undertaken. When we say the Obekono mu 10, 13, 12. Into buy omoko ya na wapon. Because Omadi assembly call parliament no on article 102 no. What the numbers be won't mean your business in parliament. And for some time now, minority na home mobile parliament na ka woman kasa no into me and ensure so government policies are going.
Minority who or mobile.
Oh yes.
Look at the way you are talking.
What are you saying?
Minority no who MPP for mobile no more.
Abaya o MPs.
Honorable George Pong. Manin kasa you about.
So oh yeah, me yen. Oh yeah, me yen. Abaya we here just 91 MPs to start business in Parliament. You are not getting. Oh 137. You need them to what you are not getting. Men can say, if you believe in your government, won't you stay in parliament? Won't you in parliament? And where's the business apostle? Inti sa MPP kuwe agu. They shouldn't come and. When was the last time I said they have no respect for Ghanaians? In MPP Ghana for election we won't contest it.
Election bay.
The 2024 election we. They won't contest. Would the Omanhene can occur pass here? Inti young fan say yan twapa near Casa MPP to party on Babaye. What are they coming?
Only BBI.
What is it? They are
what are you also coming to?
They are at their what's end.
What is the NDC coming to do? We ask and you tell us.
The NDC in 2020.
You tell us, you drew Honoma. We have
no, and you said drew Honoma. The NDC in 2020 presented a manifesto to the people of Ghana.
And it was not bought.
Indicated to them. Let me tell you.
It was not bought.
I will never sit here and say Ghana never bought NDC policies.
Yeah, if the policies were bought as against that of the MPP,
and
you would have, because the integrity test was put on trial in 2020
Omanhene.
As to who best can serve Ghana after post-COVID. They gave it to MPP.
Say subversion is worse than coup d'etat.
Who subverted the elections?
Tetima and South, what happened?
8
people died.
Election 2020.
Me say election 2020 was not an election that the MPP themselves know that they won.
I will not speak for MPP, but you and I know.
You don't need to speak to them.
Going to the election, your national chairman said you did not do well.
Omanhene.
To the point where the coalition itself, I was saying, you did not do it.
So why do you blame someone? No party needs to collect any results.
No, but at the end of the day,
Omanhene, me say, it's because we have a tattered system. We have a system of an electoral commission that is fixated on certain things. Otherwise, NDC, you won't hear say collect results. Why? You will body and manage elections because it has become necessary to say you quality results.
Oh yes, so yeah.
Adentina nka election na make say you can't coup d'etat. We should be careful. We shouldn't only be looking at people with guns. There are people who have undertaken coup d'etat in this country for a very long time, but you fire didn't call. Adentina say even no agent kwajina honuma misro hwe this be a siwo kumawu anano yento abane ya se agents mon sign coalition seat into we know the numbers there guma. How do you determine that? How do you argue on that?
Hold it there, let me go to honorable.
Me ba we no.
Professor am member champion. I want member champion. Me so the first year my member champion.
In fact, obi a wo si ha bia man kwasa on kasa be kasa ban we yagu.
Omo Mami ko lawyer George Opo Akwaba. Presiding member Babri East Assembly. Yes,
so your colleagues on the other side. I mean, and you can say you ask yourself, have these people been in government before? Or my baby muda. Now, what you be else say only Ghana how what you be else or my baby muda. Now, say come back bemuno. The almost kind of name you know, so we wouldn't have been where we are today. I say, His Excellency your mama is the hope for Ghana.
Yes.
Then I can tell you Ghana has no hope. Ghana has no scintilla of hope. So if your mama is the hope of Ghana. Now, a man who threw his hand in despair. So I ran namni in Akadumpe. So a man and they hope for Ghana today. Is that what he wants Ghanaians to believe? The man who was in power by the virtue of law and he became president substantively by the verdict of Ghanaians in his tenure of office. Ghana in the history of the country, there has not been verdict that is so huge and glaring. A change. Yewura your mama a call election. Ghana for a day about for a C or say. Motion a Juma Wayana, Motuan Yana. The verdict was overwhelming, over 1 million votes lost. It means under the Fourth Republic, Obianye humiliated in the election than Excellency John Mama. Sandy Pano, just 2016 year. What has he proposed to bring on board today? Ebema Ghana for enya ni mujidi enya akuma pase ne de ebi okotena nchen no ni da yeso bi akane no advice ena bamu ede yura no score no na emre o Ghana de ni bedi president yemfa ne sesa abre no mputu promu an obedi president no omo ane ho no onso da ye no onye na adwe so pe president edi enti no ena ma bi ane ntoto ya nkoyi enti nde wakotena se mfie nwotwe achi ebi a waso da ye foforo onyi Diana nkyere ne nkyere na se Diana waso ne ndei onyi nkyere Ghana fo ne nkyere na se Joseph fo bebiri wo Ghana Joseph fo bebiri wo Ghana onyi nkyere ye ne nkyere na se eno also ye hope for Ghana na ho no yen say ya da age pi aban ya mo political party worth it sort samu ye serious enne mo atimi ayato aba ama mo aka say aban bi asisiu ana political party bi asisiu electoral commission asisiu aso nkuku ne nkaka de akọ Supreme Court yebusa aso wa dance ya wo ye hia wo say abetena had na nya hoden be ka kire Ghana for say there was subversion and it was more than a coup d'etat. I mean ya na mo pese mo kan say na kire banchi nya eja na kire o enye wobɛtena TV so ana radio so aka wasɛm sɛ yɛwia me ana ɛno na kyerɛ sɛ yɛwia wa baabi a ɛde kɔ a yɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu ɛde mmara toto ho ɛde adanseɛ toto ho miehu si yɛwia wa ampa no wokɔ hɔ yɛbusa wo sɛ wadanseɛ ne sɛn wosi wo ni bi o national chairman bɛka kyerɛ sɛ at the time a me kɔ election no ɛsiane sɛ chairman no wɔ hɔ na anyɛ n'adwuma yie nti na ɔtoto paapaa so na wantumi amoɔboa ne collated results ano nti no me call Supreme Court kora na me ni adanse yebusa me no mo ante sɛ me kan na wo ho sɛ me ni adanse bia ɛyɛ me chairman na wo ho no adwuma bɔne a wo yɛ ya ntiminti and all the so bo be electoral commission. Since when did you realize that your electoral commission your body bia nka wo hia collated results? Since when did you realize that? After this Charlotte said this and I say James and this. I mean na ya no mo kasa say ya you can approbate and reprobate. One hand good, another hand bad. How do you do that? Say, call court no, and let me do a dance here call ya. Yes, we the dance here, or they are called Amagana Nibia. You can get verdict of a court of public opinion. Obi able say same way dear. Nesenke koma mo pa ba Ghana ni bi ohwe bi free akora ya wo no motofo a otimi ekasa ekopem akokora wo krum ha including your own party chairman se muni adanse na akokọ no di kontomire ko kitchen anye kontomire stew no edema then na de kontomire ko kitchen na wo pack atwa stew no edi
so wetin dey afra
so one fa bi ankode na ade be fra no you went there with kontomire you will be served kontomire stew. And you call na one for dance be anko including your national chairman and then no betena ha no aba because obi aye. It is about the time they are daydreaming when waking up. Say political party, the essence of political party is to capture political power. Political power no so ye na ye dem for do arm any apel. Ye say osoro mamu kura no enipa e be ko no on be fa na nibere so any ahoden so. Is that not the
so you see hello.
What's I'm responding to matters out there.
He's coming to but tell me.
Me buy topic.
Who my there? Yeah, man, we are looking at media review. When you don't allow him and
when you come back 5-6 minutes. And we was granted. Min carry I gonna 40. And then I want to know my main cancer in some who now one can the papa 450
Honorable Yusuf.
Deal with those matters.
Allow. Mami tell. Eba cho me ba ha me kasa na me nim.
Aden na won kan kire Ghana for say. Aden na kan kire Ghana for say 2016 na wuja ho no de akono. Na GDP esen. No.
Oh. Honorable Yusuf.
They say person min can say na momu.
Honorable Yusuf. This is not like you.
You see, that is their strategy.
This is not like
don't
you.
Be surprised at all. Don't be surprised at all.
No. When you do that, it becomes a strategy.
Don't be surprised at all.
No.
Don't be surprised at all.
Hello, Maninkasa. Honorable, you have the floor. Lawyer, you have the floor. Go ahead. Please.
Don't be surprised at all. And this was strategy back on. Only this Nibiako programmer. Only this Nibiako programmer. When they realize they have been connected, they have not done before. They have been, you see.
Go ahead.
Only in this Nibiako program, no more realize that they have been connected. They have been equipped, they have been exposed by their own lies. Then that is the strategy. They banter in and they destroy.
We don't do that strategy.
Almost program, you know. Don't worry. I was listening to you on radio. Let me tell you what me. Eti the more kind nyina no say mo ba ye na mbetena aha na mo ka kire say abusuafo Ghana for MPP for failing. Na His Excellency John Mahama and the hope for Ghanaians. This is what he brings on board. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. And Nema win whatever. Adaya so awasuni. And this wadi huna woni. Nanka Ghana for ni ataseno. Edi egu. Senieni ni away. Ni ahwe MPP for adwuma omoaye. Ene de omso mbeye de atoaso. Ni away na Ghana for no. Yahwe balance sheet no. Nafi the verdict no.
But they say they are coming with the People's Manifesto 2020.
What people
a 10 billion push.
Didn't they bring it?
Prime primary
Omanhene Yaw experiment bi yenko central market is here no pay. Ye na nanom no mo anko school ye ma memrewafo na omo central market no.
Pacho kasa.
Enti se nyame ya adom na ukudru ho a. Na ubisa maame bi se maame. Ade na board ya woton. Ese woni aba ne das ye ne asab mienu nko na woton. Na wonton apantum nkan. Wo so obeka kire se we me de ba ye nto. Ba we ndiem de ba ya na asa. So common sense will tell you say so the manifesto be Abregana for. Na say ya nto a. Na sa manifesto na say was Adea Abregana for. It is over to you. Oba ye no de aba be gudwa so.
So you and I will agree that Nanado brought free SHS 2008. It was not bought. He brought it 2012. It was not bought. But 2016, Ghanaians bought it.
Let me show you the difference.
Let
me show you the difference.
Show me the difference.
There were modifications on the way everywhere. 2012 manifesto free SHS no. And Nema what went into it as free SHS no
changed.
Shared the or no so the free SHS in 2012
and that of 2016.
Check the difference.
Okay. So why can't probably why can't
they should say so?
Why can't the People's Manifesto be modified?
Yeah, no modify big push you know. Say who kono what's worry nam no akadompe there's no money
and the business
where am I going to find the money to do X to do Y and by that virtue and will cancel nursing teacher training allowance and will cancel also other social interventions because no one else will debate here. So now where are you going to find the 10 billion to do your big push? It is not about what I will do, it's about how you do it. Tell Ghanaians how you are going to do it. And that's why I can't obi abetimi akabi. Abrantie gina kwa ho anu mato no boto mu abo ba ko homa me ko edian na ma so ko hwe ofidi aba. Na me ko na hwe ana ende. Enti je wo keka no ye ka na wo ka bi. Tell us how you are going to do the big push. I'm going to find money here, I'm going to find money there. If you do this, if you do that. This is contour of money that will come to the basket. I'm going to use 10 billion to do the big push. What bet now no ka say me na sa ada ye so we there. And I said, meet me at Naha. What do I not done with a bimo? I saw if we see more, me free can see Puduke and I say, copy a mangono, me free one Makusu in and I say, what wait me at double 10 acres, Cassani bimo. At the end of the day, you said, oh, a timekeeper. Now, I'm not an idea. I don't know why you do that. You are not, that is not you.
All right. So,
Honorable Chief Executive,
what you will expect in this media review? This media review.
What I'm expecting is, sir, Adea Akye Parliament today, the Ken Oforiatta should be able to give Ghanaians hope and inspire confidence.
Okay.
These are the two pillars with which I will view the budget review.
Whether what
will give hope to Ghanaians and inspire confidence
and inspired us.
That confidence that yes, there's something good at the end of the day. Enti eno na say make sure any say urban nento to no will be to mitigate the hardship and the plight of Ghanaians. Ebema enipa ho ha na kakra e wo ye niema ye me dada setena mu especially goods and services commodities are eye recurrent. Ye turn da bia ye din da bia consumables no ye benya enidaso obi ni ahodaso obi e wo mu say enipa ho be henhan no. Nobody will dispute the fact that oman no ba bia ye duru sa abre no ye wa emu enti say 2017 emu enti say 2019 and obi anim di enti a sa na ema nyina aba na sasa abre that was the worst of our country. That was the days ya senke eba hanke senka mu generators so tata kenka eba wu kofi anu afre. When your president that you say oh na be inspire hope in our days you know was it mobile phone obi akuta 22 he say mobile phones will be crowd there 4 but still light this so your minister of employment told us say who wie legon wa ko gina kwa ho na twitwa sere na sesa abo unya bucket mienu afa begu kwa ho. That was their solution. Na eduru a trip ba kwa waton. That was your solution. Na ya na mokra mo ani ngu asem na ya na eba na economy ne employment no sa na ma na mokeka bi. Mo ani na ngu asem. You told us this is your solution that you gave to Ghanaians. What have you done new? What have you changed? What policy have you brought up? And ebe ma abranti bi o legon, abranti bi o tech, abranti bi a o pole ehunu say now no me we school this is the hope for us.
Don't let the former polytechnic student take me on. It's technical university, please.
Yeah. Today, I'm sorry, pa. Wait there, Mr. Mopa. Mate, rank.
We are on the message.
Mr. Omo,
technical university.
Professor is my support crowd friend here.
And now technical university.
And then na mo se mo aka kire Ghana for. And then na asesan free. Esretwa ene aboosesa. Abani. What has changed? Tell us.
What have you also done in the midst of this hardship?
You see,
what have you also done? Ghana for the almost says to say, barring any H, no, we will prefer ND's MPP to ND's.
Oh, na send the uncle actually cry. Can you NSC so tatatate? Can you NSC so to?
But they tell you that your mama subdue so.
Oh,
na America.
It's not about you saying. Kasa, I am from.
Okay.
Show working. Said ya why? Yes, answer. So yeah. My mentor there. So yeah.
Omanhene, please.
Omanhene near or mass.
Omanhene 70 more than 25 minutes. Me no na chance.
Omanhene.
Oh, Malinye.
Omanhene near or mass.
We are about
mass be a friend calculus, eh? Ucho konse ya obetime hu obi ansa na nka wa twere ahye ho ba wi a ube hu wi no atwere ba ube wi no na lecture na o mark no atwere as show working ansa na unya free it's not about you saying, you know, it's about show working.
Okay,
under your watch your minister told us doom so it's a matter of finance and nothing else. Na kwa me nkroma nsi eya akoso mu a enka Ghana na oba ka your mama buy and go no be akoso. Governance is a continual process. Also the BB about the BB baba, but the end results na be justify equation, you know. Ama show working no once and I justify it, you know. And they say can ya na any ho no aso esiso. Tima mu hunu enipa ono no me na nate ni fia. Can ya dumu a o musa samari anaka pa onima de kro. Do onima say can ya so ana say dum.
Mini award
and at your time now so we do so no. Why didn't you put the light on?
All right.
Na mo kra mo ani ngu asem kra. Na no person ka say bi.
On say me catch us say this is a hopeless government. Yet to krum ha. Ena sa un say sa light issue way. Un say these are business people. So they know.
Go far for them
yeah, light.
If you asem ko far for obia, why pay on pay your politics.
President Kupoto ko fa the feno toy machines in the back room. Na light duma. Ye da so for na ko
akoso mu no bompai, but there was light. Let there be light.
President Mama say or taking responsibility for it. Oh, unim say na say Kumase omo de car power ba.
Napoli aba.
O de aba Kumase. President Mama baby no de na ba Kumase. Se be hwe?
O de no botu.
Ma lawyer entra ha.
O de
na ontimi nya light, ontimi nya light mfa nya ne niam. Let me tell you, the builder of this country is President Mama.
Okay. Same you again.
Na say ya terminal 3. Obi ko Australia no zoom say by. Say terminal 3 is the number 1. President Neba.
NRGD.
Woman is store.
Terminal 3.
NRGD. And number 1 RGD.
Compared to
Kayana. Na number 1 there, number 1.
Look, it's one of the best in the world.
You see the way the ship go push.
It's one of the best in the world.
Now you are talking, but you can't say the best.
President Mama in 4 years.
A car ban we are board terminal 3.
President Mama
is more than the project itself.
Listen. For now,
President Mama
Upa Africa ha one of the best.
If not the best in Africa, the whole of Africa. President Mama what you say? You buy a schools, I work room ha. The E-blocks alone.
27.
Employment, even emphasis 27. The full secondary schools Mako 27. A Bakokra 50 teachers. Look at the number of teachers we have employed within that period.
And then
look at our hospitals
compared to today.
Look at the Accra Regional Hospital.
Don't do one-sided day. Compared to today. E-blocks no. Don't do say na ba we
More hospitals.
NSC are new blocks saying compare.
Omanhene President Mama ye in 4 years. this government is in place for almost getting to
the
7
years.
This is 7th year. Do that 7th year. This is the 7th year of your government. Do that comparison. Me say aban we ashi. And then
can you know
Oko finance minister. Yem maame nom. Embre onkokoda. For the first time. Omo da ho. Because mo enti na omo go dollars go omo da mu no. Because they don't want to be affected the way these old ladies have been affected. Omo da ho on daily basis just for BP get their money. Omo sika o to go and buy BP medicine. Omo da ho. Nanu ya what they say omo feedi your secondary school nkodai. For a very long time. Buffer stock omo da ho. Emma ebiku we hospitals.
Ayame anu yetu.
Na we yetia bi yintu omu nyina.
Omo call no.
Omanhene
obi anya ne sika.
Omo ka 230 something million dollars. Omo 100,000.
Omo ya de.
This 139 million.
This omo bi swan no atua ne.
School feeding anu ya. Deliberate anaso anu na apon. Correct.
100 million. 100 million omo cha
100 million.
Okay 100.
230 something million omo.
But deliberate was said that. That's how they distort the facts. Omo said that no account I say say na no afọ.
100,000.
Apart from school feeding for. Regional minister ya. Ogina wo di omo atem ofom ho. Monko. Onu omo ka school feeding. Ya dwane keke yen koda be.
Ehn fantasy momo na men say di obi atem.
Ghana
be doing this. And no did you?
West Africa.
Why are you doing this?
West Africa Secondary School. Now say ya, omo headmistress omo yenda omo yina di. Adentia. O say wakọ jiska free parents for abe his students no. Parents na say omo ankasa we aban wo won first come back. Obitimi di Tom Brown for about 1 week. No mu ndi adu.
If you obi wo kro
na bi. And next schools wo kwa say for si chire bra. Akwara ko school e ko do dan ne wo dey so won fa na si chire bra dan ne wo medi.
E wo paper bear so. Order be why na ye.
So you see
where is it?
This is a
where you can say yeah without any proof, without any central proof. You cannot be doing this.
You see, don't feign
ignorance. You cannot be doing this.
Man feign ignorance.
Me say who and where was the directive made? Say wo ba for si bra. Where was it? You see this kind of comments. It shouldn't come from people like you.
Because this is
it shouldn't come from people like you.
I'm saying because it's public knowledge.
No. It's happening. Yam faman kran no.
Okay. We be up mama na ya da be say.
Enu nti akwara no. Abufo kwa na show mu. Kwara de bo. Obi chini nua no okunu.
Jelu nti no obo.
No, but a hungry man is an angry man.
Obi awo criminal be ase na we.
And me say a hungry man is
a comedy we na on fa backlist na ko yi
scam na. These people we will need to reorganize this whole system.
Okay,
even Abanwe has become a crime scene. Unim say scandals in the bar. Unye na ba kwa sa ba. Until you lose count of the scandals in this government.
All right. Honorable Subhadi Abra.
Obet me account scandals and the NDC. Sada Suba Sofoto. Obet me account scandals and the NDC. Can you count them?
We are not account here. Me say
we are very what is Amra Nasi. I'm very what is Amra Nasi.
We are not count here. Me say these are a group of connection men. So if we are banya a connection, a syndicate. We are connection syndicate.
Thank you, Honorable lawyer Osuma Mintio. Ada was to say.
Who said? Only be an interview. And I watch that choir and Mary a fast one. Ye force on so you want to do. I married on say I'm on what kind of baby say as a president mama bonduya. Because when a poor new mokruma, if I present mama and there's energy issues with him, and no coffee married by. I feel the mobile. Must I discover about $8 million about total. In fact, the cost one was a Gabi.
Thank you. On the Gabi and Yansem. On the kind.
I want the kind. What's it about?
And I won't frag Gabi in Wajedi. Maybe I'm frag. What's on our walk?
Lawyer Mamintio.
And Wajedi when
Lawyer Mamintio.
NDC for Becky can say yeah. The catcher on say Kasa or moon show working and free consultation or Munkotana them the person omo yema Ghana for Emma Ghana for nyem omu agidi nyem omu
ka me de won so nka de omo
omo nkofa saa niam ni nyina amra na omo meka nkyere Ghana for say ye kwa about 2025 na NDC NPP are failing
2024
NDC and ye pese ye ba
2024
we na NDC NPP ntimi anye ye ba ye be ye we na Ghana for enwe ye nkari ni mienu e wa abo so na ye nhwe de ebebo Ghana for say ebetena bonten aka we say na we aka we say no it's neither here nor there but ye it's neither here nor there ye obi aye ne trial balance bia the balance sheet no be Ghana for the balance sheet no Ghana for they will put the verdict on it 80 in the history of Ghana monko amone nipa amoaba outrightly yetimi reject move about 10 percentage points enya mo ani wu mon sign the enye hwe say is to your advantage and answer say abanyaba onye hwe and was about to so say is to your advantage I don't know o manage your day
Ghana sikafo ho achi
etizesi ano adwuma mo betimi aya abo Ghana for no ye ba pokuas interchange aye 40 but ye ba na nke be ni 6 and o mo ye ni 4 enti ano ye ba be ye ni 6 o ba eniema a omo ye free SHS no omo anye ni ye de ye ba anopa bia ye be ma akra bia akokọ baako ni amano mark one thing
okay
na omo sa nursing training teacher allowance na ye twetwem no ye nso ye ba ye be sa de aba biem ewom si ye twam ye hu ni ye ene ye hu ni ye be de aba
e hu hia se de
bia ye de free SHS no we add this we add that eniema a mo fi sa atochima wa ba we hu no ena mo nka na mo nkire mo solution and how you are going to do it enya kasa say you ba be na mo ka de
on this note I say thank you gentlemen honorable Yusuf and lawyer Hey
papa I would suffer Pentecost kwasi adan so okọ retirement
okay
ntine no so yekoye no ema no enra kwasi and papa wa chim me wo me nso we 10 years ni
now you say it was a whole package wow
it's a whole package ntino ye be no enna say amen nso aba na me se me ne kumase mai until with this at the back of my mind no na enyeme bia na che say ye ni nyame di nkomo ye ni nyame etwetwe nkomo say rather what next what is your mind concerning us then I want my mind then I want my me and also there's a paradigm shift there's a paradigm shift Sakraye eba divine increase breakthrough knocking on my door and see the song started from there. Now midway through doing the song and so many things I remember singing the song to King David and also Akabi give it time
King David
it started from I see a paradigm shift, divine increase, breakthrough, knocking on my. That's where the song started. It's me too man. It's beautiful.
But in
I was like, this is what God is speaking to me. Then, in the course of the year, certain things started hitting, and I remember one time, I went to bed, I had prayed. Over some pressing issues pressing me from different angles and me jinya me say no nanka enema asisa I am jokingly me come say yeah try say be lose weight no me exercise what diet we say we be showing now na say bianca after a week no we gina scale so nanka scale no what you but when I say afekwa na ni abra was one of those mornings my bumpire na dwinyina
so you were so confident you wake up in the morning with something
that be I see I woke up in the morning and problem no hemanim in its mighty magnified state
mana so me aminie nkoi meteta
na it's me jumping on me because social media me do so na blogger be the man of God be at na okasa say when you are at your wits end eto ne e den na aka odi onyankopon a unhia mpai botenti ka say Awurade gyemi Awurade boa me Awurade boa me Awurade boa me.
My God.
Omanhene ti me show me phone ni mu pe na me start say Awurade boa me Awurade come. See, from my room I walked to this room, from my room I walked to that room, went on the floor praying Awurade boa me. This is all I could say. By the time I've reached the last room of my house, now me sign back to my bedroom. I had the opening statement and the chorus to this song.
I'm a child of the Most High.
I walk by faith and not by sight. So I speak this word by faith and I call it done. Me hu in sumejidi. Na nia me hu no enwuma bem.
My God.
Because you na me hu no pa de na was senke buma bem.
You see, Pastor, this is where sometimes somebody sees Diana Hamilton and thinks, Diana Hamilton, dear. And he said, Bibi Krabuna Bem. And he saw him. It is all castle and we hear moms. Hey, won't so. This will tell you, say, everybody at a point in time has something he's dealing with. And it takes songs like this to build you up.
Yeah.
Diana, God bless you. Continue.
Amen. See, I had the whole verse. I'm a child of the Most High. I walk by faith and not by sight. I speak this word by faith and I call it done. Mi hui sumejidi. Na niya mi hui no. Emuma bem. My reports in your bedjedi. Because unim niya upese uhu. Eno my. Niya umpese ubehu no. Eno neba.
Chuma majidie.
Jidie.
Aye chuma na.
Anasa behu na aye chuma.
My God.
And that day, me jina so, me bompire me chunum ni send him back in. Na me kashe nyam yen nyam. Say there's been a shift, there's been a change
after the song.
And na me hu ne say nyame wa dia, odi nyum no eba beye.
My God.
Na interesting how testimonies are eba on the song. You say nyame no kwafo.
Now, person will go through that to have a testimony.
To be able to write the song.
That testimony.
Yeah.
And when himself, the climax
is still working.
Okay.
But definitely by the end of the year to early next year, so experience will happen. And it will be the 10th year.
Whoa.
It started in 2014.
10 years about this year.
Yeah. 2024 near what 10 years.
10 years. It's going to be mega.
Amen.
Oh yes.
Amen.
So now what's me my bra property won't come back from here. We are a family here.
I know.
Property product on the sack so everything.
I know. Property for any ma omudea bano. A bin so nam kwan so bano. Many one can make a change in my home. Just say, oh, so ojia. Oh, say, obi onim life, obi an near tibia no cows me come matching. Tinia uji ne fridge na because of the American style they be ba. Or my Chester freezers. Or my air conditions, blenders, tabletop cookers, or my microwave ovens, microwave grills. Microwave now or no one
say we are not my birthdays because I'm the sponsor.
Oh sir. I entino omum fidie ni ya papa. Entino makasa to papa prekono.
That's right.
Papa at affordable prices too. And a efe me omo fridge omo dia brain the American style fridge no tim say I think Ghana for friend the Bible by the say no freezer on one side na fridge on one kono kra you need it in your kitchen. That's when we say e dia brochira ba Ghana.
That's right.
Kama into be bia nkoto be say so ye be shop e wo sunwan.
Yes.
Ntino
cocoa board runabout na ni item na ni dey
hwanimu. That's true. And e be so one kind Spintex into say no pe bia won kwa chiri nkran fo benya bi sunwan fo benya bi e na kuma se de
let's say a sentence na it's in fact Tony Sack was 0500 and then the 999 LPM no 0500 309 309 0500309309. Mamin picky calls baku mienu miensa. Meaning say some of you want to speak to Diana. Na quickly now no yenye birthdays no na yempeja emu. Enunti join us on the line on 0551 931 0551 Hello, good morning.
Hello, Omanhene, morning.
Morning.
Me pacho ya pem na Adea me ka sem free adwoso.
Ana ya me ntio.
Omanhene me ati pass ma to nkan na no pay. Na me chia me mami.
Yo so.
Me ka jen senya me shra ne pa. Ni nyum bia watu bia ya me de na Omanhene me tie ni nyum se a. Na me honhom kra na me ni agye bia me ye bia ye koso. Me jen senya me shra no.
Hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Actually,
I'm into from Abuasi.
Fellow colleagues of the most noble profession.
That's for me. I said,
I had the
Hey. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Yetio. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Hello.
Yes, sir. Why you?
But your friend in German, because I feel that.
Yeah, mommy, too.
Dana de Yankopon Sano, and Yankopon, and now Nabado Mangana. Then you bit you. And can a person that be no backyard, because they're possible.
Backyard, the pa. You are to the abyss, backyard. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my dear.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Yes, dear.
Me pacho me de Jewa.
Okay.
Me ka sefi Boakye.
You are Kasa.
Omanhene, you've been my fan for so long. To shift to back here, there be a midway.
See.
Unfortunately, me shift here no pay. Me quite the macro. Me see unto me Me time on so anyway. But Diana, need to be a man penasem.
Oh.
I don't know whether I'll get the opportunity to send you a video. I'm a banner. Yes, it's all no dress it or not.
Hey, Elias, I'm too.
I'm a patch of Ria Boaman. I'm a fat.
You would send the brother, send the man. Why?
Oh, you mean say some money too? No man say that. If someone had to money, I made
I think I have to say, Amen, Ama. And I'm saying, Dialogue, just say me challenge.
You so you're starting.
I have to do say me challenge.
I've run the open verse.
The open verse. Okay. Hello. So, when you? Amen. What you say finally? What's the open day?
Open verse challenge.
Open verse challenge.
You know, my year me TikTok page. Matonyo mono but me just spot amount.
Now what feeling?
What feeling?
Okay.
Do your own.
Wow,
before you're creative. Before you're creative. I'm telling you. Telling you.
All right.
Okohana wakoye open verse.
Okay.
Now otagi
all right, let me say thank you so much for that wonderful presence of God at Liberty Conference.
Amen.
The entire team say we should say thank you.
Oh.
And the obey, you know, so you need. Ken so it's quite on fast or you buy, you know, maybe be a cost. Okay.
So thank you for hosting me.
Oh, I should rather be thanking you.
Oh, Debbie, we had a good time. Just say a new experience. So
you crying
thank you. I had a good time.
All right, good time. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Okay, you have your birthdays, no? And Mrs. Mary Owusu Ansa of Merriman's Fashion Center at Tonsu. Merriman Fashion at Tonsu from your husband Ebenezer also answer of Sompa. Ebenezer also answer Sompa FM. One no no. Hey, my lovely twins, Perry Kwabnanya Kwasante and Pearl Abnanya Kwasante. Today is your birthday. Diamond Star School from your parents and Mrs. Asante over him. When you feel 9, Jason Odro upon of Diamond Star. Today is your birthday from your family. Comforter Frederick Boatye Ba from Mr. and Mrs. Ba. Maybe Secretary Asante or the Saint Medical Center. If you just say East, and then Thy will Owusu Nyakun Kobe Stone. Thy will. From Berryman of Ahinipa FM. Paul Frimpong of Kopami Company Limited. Asafo from Nanaya Boama of Sompa. And this one is my sweet sister Abigail Osei of Menshia Government Hospital from her sister Boahima. Richard Entry Crespo of Lions Evergreen Kifit Club. Okay. And my sweet wifey Monica Paddy, head of HR Akumadan District Assembly. From your husband Raymond of Ninehini NHIS. And Jeremy Aqua of Classic Academy School. From your parents, today is your birthday. Enjoy the day to the max. Adea Akye Abia crowd with the good year who say mobile yentino.
Come be able mix 25G.